Hi, Tim Conti here with Cloud Collaboration Consultants. Today's video is unleashing the RingCentral uh, messaging capability that's built into the RingCentral solution. So our previous videos, we covered unleashing the power of the phone system that's included with RingCentral. We've also covered unleashing the power of video meetings. And now part 3, which is the last part, is to cover the messaging component. Now, I could spend hours demoing this capability, but I'm going to do a shortened version of it. And it really is designed to solve a few business challenges. One being it allows you to really cut down on corporate email. Okay. So by using this messaging capability, you could run your entire business just using this application that's inherent within the RingCentral solution. So first and foremost, when you have a large organization, there is a lot of chats and things happening. But what's nice is if anyone calls you out by name, they're asking you a question, they just do the @ and then I can go into each of these groups where these conversations are taking place. So if someone's looking for something from me specifically versus posting something to the group, they just put the @ So I go here and I can see right away in the date and time if someone mentioned me by name and it might require some attention. I can also bookmark a conversation, and it includes, in this case, a file that was shared. These are international rates for RingCentral. And then when I bookmark it, this is saved forever. And I can view this in the conversation where it took place, or I just have it here saved. This feature is one of my favorites. I can show my read or unread messages. So if I go to my unread, you can see this gets a lot smaller versus my read messages is much larger. I'm going to start with the unread so we can see some conversations here. But these are first my favorites. So these are the folks that I communicate with on a regular basis. And from here, I can open up a chat and it's just myself and Tori who are in this particular chat. I can attach a file. I can do a emoji. I can create a task, you name it, directly in here. And this is a direct conversation between Tori and myself. I can also upload files, which is a PowerPoint. I can upload images as well. So again, there's no limitation on the size of the files that I can include here, which is really nice. So unlike email that has maybe a 10, 15 meg, maybe 20 meg file restriction, I don't have that issue here at all. Now, in addition to my favorites, I also have my direct messages here as well. And my things not cooperating here, drag. I can also communicate directly on a direct message capability. And where you're going to spend most of your time is with teams. And from here, a team is what we create for a variety of different reasons. Anytime you need more than one or two people, you can create a team. And within here, I've got multiple members. I got 7 members all here, and anything that I type in here, all of the people in that group are going to get that message. And we can also see there's 2,400 members in here, and any file that's ever been attached is in this group, right? And there's meetings, you can pin things. And for me, if someone needs to get a hold of me, they need to do that @ functionality that I mentioned earlier, and that'll be a direct message to me. So to recap here, you've got @ mentions, you can bookmark. I've got my favorites. I can do a direct message to anyone. And then I've got team messaging. So again, this really cuts down on email, internal email, and external email. That's one thing to bring up that's important. The members are members that are within your company, but I can invite anyone with an email address, which is really cool. So, and they can reply directly via email, and it goes right into this message. So these guests are people that are outside of my organization. So thanks for listening in on today's meeting messaging capability within RingCentral, and we will talk to you soon. Thank you.